धरती संस्कृति से भरपूर है और यहाँ के लोगों को अपने अद्भुत कैपेबिलिटीज को डिस्प्ले करने में महारत हासिल है। पूरे भारत को इनके विभिन्न अनोखे डांस देखने की चाहत है। इसे इस चैलेंज को स्वीकार करने और डांस के क्षेत्र में अब हम आपको ले चलते हैं हमारे देश से दूर में अपने भारतीय संस्कृति और आत्मा को जीवित रखा है। इन्होंने पूरे विश्व में भारतीय और पश्चिमी डांस फ्यूजन की पहचान दी है। 1 महीने तक खोज करने के बाद 8 रॉक स्टार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिएगा उनकी टीम को। कल्पिता प्रियंका पटेल, कैरन परेरा, सरीना उनक्कट, Bharat Dhani, Rival Dusan, Varun Dhani and Kiran Shergill. अब नजर डालते हैं भाग्यकारी विरासत के लिए जाना जाता है। यहाँ के लोग कभी ना हार मानने वाली विचारधारा रखते हैं, जिससे साहस और बुलंद इरादे वे प्रदर्शन करते हैं उनको निश्चित रूप से जांबाज बनाती है। इस विश्वास के साथ पश्चिम बंगाल, बिहार, उत्तरी पूर्व राज्यों और मोनालिसा मोटल यहाँ के लोगों का हुनर अपने आप में श्रेष्ठ है और मनोरंजन एवं कला के प्रति इनके जोश की सीमाओं को सिर्फ 8 लोगों को चुनना। किशन बीए, स्नेहा, मदन कुमार एवी एंड खड़ग ज़ेविया। सुपरस्टार प्रभु देवा। दक्षिण से देश के इस भाग का वर्णन किया जाता है। यहाँ जन्म लेने वाला प्रत्येक बच्चा शेर दिल होता है। यहाँ सुंदर खेतों और तरोताजा हवा वाली धरती है। यहाँ के लोग जी भांगड़ा दुनिया भर में मशहूर है। दिल्ली, जम्मू जम्मू कश्मीर और हरियाणा का स्वागत कीजिएगा, जिनका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं टीम कोच पप्पू मालू और दिनेश मुदियार, साधिका शर्मा, चिराग अग्रवाल, एनी, आदि कुमार, हरीश चौधर और शाद सिंह। और आखिर में ले चलते हैं भारत की संगीत कला इंडस्ट्री बॉलीवुड का मिश्रित रूप है। यह सपनों की नगरी है। यदि आप में काबिलियत है तो उन्हें पूरा करने के लिए आपको यहाँ हजारों मौके मिलेंगे। इसी धरती पर सपनों के साथ साथ हुनर का भी सम्मान किया जाता है। जो साहस है और डांस के क्षेत्र में अपने जोन को रीमा, शशांक मल्ली, प्रशांत मोहन, करिश्मा चौहान, राहुल खोट, कार्तिक मोहन, संतोष कापरी एंड विशाल सरवैया। Ladies and gentlemen, up.
Thank you so much. You're going to hear some lovely Hindi. India and the world will hear me speak. And this time it should be slightly better, so don't get Ashchayachakit again. Happy to be here. This idea which we thought of some time ago has come eventually to fruition, so I'm really happy about that. And I must thank Sony, Mr. Ajit, and Manisha, and from Cineyug, my Mohammad Morani, who actually made this happen. Because we were getting very bored of reality shows without some good dancing. Now we have good dancers who are so good that actually when we were going through the audition, we were like, oh my God, I hope we find people, God Almighty, help me. And suddenly, as I've always been doing for 25 years, I've been doing DPL for 25 years, I hope you know that, because I've been looking for talent all over India. Anyway, so we eventually found them, and now we have a fantastic level of dance with beautiful choreographers who have a great body of work. A big hand for the choreographers, really.
हम ये शपथ लेते हैं कि हम पूरे निष्ठा से डांस प्रीमियर लीग के नियमों का पालन करेंगे, जज के फैसले का सम्मान करेंगे और अपने जोन के लिए पूरी सच्चाई के साथ भाग लेंगे।
हर जोन को रिप्रेजेंट किया है। कभी पंजाब की बबली बनी तो कभी पेरिस में रहने वाली रिया, साउथ की चंचल बाला बनी तो कभी राजस्थान की लाची, कभी वेस्ट की सुहानी बनी तो कभी ईस्ट के रंगों में घुली शशि। भांगड़ा, भरतनाट्यम, मणिपुरी, ओडिसी और भारत के अन्य फोक डांसेस के साथ जैज, हिप हॉप, वॉल्स और विभिन्न तरह के डांसेस भी किए। अपने ट्रेन डांसर होने का परिचय दिया। दर्जनों अवार्ड्स, सैकड़ों सम्मान, हजारों परफॉर्मेंसेस और करोड़ों फैंस। चाहे देश हो या विदेश, इनकी चर्चा कहीं कम नहीं होती। ऐसी रानी मुखर्जी परख रही है हर जोन के डांस जुनून को। तो देखते हैं कौन रखेगा अपनी इज्जत। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, लेट्स वेलकम डीपीएल की रानी, रानी मुखर्जी।
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. MP Singh, the CEO of Sony Entertainment Television, and Mr. Ajit Thakur, business head of Sony Entertainment Television, on the stage. Let's give them a big round of applause.
I'm going to try and speak in Hindi. Dance Premier League, as Shamak said, is going to be one of the biggest dance reality shows, representing the entire country, and also people from overseas who are here that you saw performing on the stage, also participating in the contest. There's sports persons like Kapil Dev, Anil Kumble, Baichung Bhutia, who have blessed each of these teams. He has seen a train on the show, and I invite you to speak at this occasion.
Good evening, everybody, and thank you for some kind words, sir. Thank you very much. Firstly, would like to say good evening to the press here, to the media, to everybody here. There has been a slight delay in the show. Slight technical reasons already. Slight here. I want to wish all the 6 teams over here all the best. All the best. And I want to say that if they call me the superstar or the star, it's not true. You all are the true superstars of the show. You all are the true superstars. And only when you all dance like a dream on the show will the show prove to be the best show ever. So don't let me down on this. And for my part, to be part of the show, I think I wasn't planning to do this television show, but fortunately for me, I think I was pretty obsessed with my movie Harippa, and I played a lot of cricket, and I danced a lot the last 1 year. And DPL just kind of fell on my lap like a natural extension. And I just thought, because I love dancing so much, I love to see people dancing, and I do watch a lot of television, so I just thought that this was a great fit. And thank you very much, Sony. Thank you very much, Cineyug, for thinking of me and for giving me this great and grave responsibility, I must say, to judge such fantastic dancers. Though I would like to tell you all that I'm not going to judge you with technicality, so I'm on your side. The technicalities are actually for Shamak and for all your coaches.
I'm the bad guy.
Yeah. I'm the good judge here. I'm just going to judge you all on basis of your love for dancing and whether you're really enjoying on the show, and whether how far can you all go in terms of performance, and how you all are. If you're going to touch my heart, then yes, I'm going to score you a full sixer. Okay? And what else can I say? I think the media love to ask me this question during the promotion of Haripad, that Rani, are you buying an IPL team? So I said that time that I can't afford it. So I've signed TPL so that I can buy an IPL team next year. So I want to leave it to Shamak to kind of decide whether I'm okay to judge. Shamak, because you're the guru of dance.
My Rani, I just want you to know that when I was told that Rani's coming on board, I probably, I think, jumped the highest, because besides Rani being a very, very dear friend of mine, first, she knows what a big fan I'm of her work, especially after I saw Black, I Died. And, it was inspiring. I phoned her up. I think there were about 20 of my students with me and instructors, and we were all watching the film, and I screamed the loudest. And I just went insane, and I phoned her up. I think she went mad with the phone call. I didn't let her go for 10 minutes on the phone, saying, I think, listen, yaar, you are Fadu. Is that right? So I'm happy my Rani's on board with me.
And thank you the entire team. Aditya, Manisha, Dipti, Tarika. Big hand to them, because they are the real people behind the show who are going to make this work. So, my first association with you all, I hope it goes great. Thank you. And thank you, Ajit. I know you've been lambasted a lot by your MD for me, but thank you for all the love and support. Generally from the heart.
I want to say you're welcome. I had a few lines to thank Rani, but now that my boss has taken it lightly if I say anything nice about her. So I'll skip that, so thank you very much. Change the vote of thanks a bit, the first and last. I need to do it to two people. So the first vote of thanks is for my language, whatever, through the last 3 months to make this show happen, which is the creative heads on both the sides. From Sony's side, Manisha. So Manisha, Bhavna, Miranda, Alba, I know you are the superstars behind this show.
Everybody who's here for this grand, I'd like to thank all these people, are very important to me, but our creative team, Manisha, Alpa, Miranda, Bhavna, Marzi, oh there you are. All these guys who work very hard behind the stage to make this show the biggest success we're going to see on television.
Yeah.
And I would request the choreographers here who are ready platform. Papu Malu, Umageti, Harshal Vittal, Minnie, Howard. We're going to make the show. We are behind them, guys. We are here for full support. 3 cheers for DPL. Hip hip. Okay, all you guys there, all the contestants here, I have seen them in auditions. They are the most wonderful dancers that India has ever seen. And they're going to prove it on television. On behalf of the entire team of Cineyug, the Morani brothers, the Surmas and Mazhar Naderwala, I'd like to thank Sony, who we have collaborated to bring to television lovers a dance show of mammoth scale, like the Dance Premier League. The guru of contemporary dance, a very personal friend, for believing in our vision and helping us achieve creative excellence in this endeavor. Of Indian cinema and a performer on the least, we'd like to also thank once again the entire Cineyug team who has worked tirelessly throughout the last 1.5 months. Aditya, sorry I didn't mention your name before, for working that the country says the same thing. Forward to the most rocking show ever, the Dance Premier League. Thank you. Thank you everybody. 3 cheers to DPL Hip Hip. Okay, we'll request.
Mohammed bhai, love you, love you, love you. Okay? I think I would like to now declare DPL. Yeah, but where's the talk? Give me.
Okay, so the last part of the show. Before we declare the show open through, of course, Rani, can I call upon Rohit, Ashok, Anjani, Gurdeep, Neeraj, and Danish to come up on stage?
Well done. I was just going to say the same thing. Please join us on stage. These are the people behind the screen, guys. The guys who support us day and night. Neelam, can you come up on stage? Can you join us? My partner, Neelam.
So, guys, we told you this is not a reality show. It's
Manisha, Aditya, come on stage.
Yeah, baby.
All the creative guys, Marzi, Aditya,
Alpa,
Aradhna,
Alpa
Alpa,
on stage.
Miranda, and
Aradhna.
Please join us on stage.
Marzi, come on, Marzi.
Come on.
Yeah.
Guys, the rock stars.
Manisha, Aditya, come on.
Come on.
Alpa, I know Manisha won't come, so Alpa, Shireen.
Manisha.
I know Manisha won't come, so it's fine.
Manisha, where's she gone?
Manisha,
She's run away.
where are you? Have you run away?
One of the
Shireen.
hardest working people. Where's she gone?
She won't come.
Arey, yaar.
Alpa, Shireen, come.
Alpa, come.
Come on, guys.
Alpa.
Always behind the screen, Shirin. This is our support for artist management, Shirin Morani.
Come on.
Shirin.
Please come on stage.
Come on. Come, Rajesh. Don't be
Rajesh, come here.
Aditya, Rajesh.
So whoever gets Manisha on stage gets 1,000 rupees from me right now.
Rajesh.
Manisha.
1,000, I'm going to carry her on. Where is she?
Where's Manisha? Get her.
Okay, so whoever gets it gets 1,000 bucks, and can we get the queen of DPL to now formally light the torch?
Achha, you all.
शोहरत ने खोले हैं अपने द्वार है जन्मभूमि की इज्जत का सवाल तू कस कमर और थाम जिगर तू उधर मंच पे दिखा हुनर तू विजय ध्वज लहरा दे आज शक्ति तेरी है अनंत हौसला तेरा प्रचंड कदमों में तेरे जहान है डांस तेरा अभिमान है तू विजय ध्वज लहरा दे आज तू विजय ध्वज लहरा दे आज है जन्मभूमि की इज्जत का सवाल
I now formally, officially declare DPL 2009 open. Any words on the judge?
Yeah, I think we have to hand over
Something.
to the
Now we
yeah,
can.
Amy to show, yeah?
Minnie, you would want to say something?
No, I'm just really excited and I love you Central so much!
And
Eastern Tigers, growl for me.
Eastern Tigers! Okay, one loud shout for Eastern Tigers. How loud can you be? 1, 2, 3, go!
Pappu, in your style.
दूध मक्खन खाएंगे.
मालूम बोल दो कुछ तो बोल नहीं आज कुछ तो बोलना पड़ेगा बोलो कुछ तो बोलो यार she's just come back from hospital so just give her some time come on मालूम say something अच्छा wish your team all the best उत्तर की पुत्र would you like to say something Maza and your smile your diplomatic smile
Thanks a lot, and thank you very much, and all the best, everybody. Thanks a lot, Rani. I love you.
Shab
I love you.
Well, we just want to tell the rest of the teams and everyone else watching 5, 6, 7, 8. हम नहीं हारेंगे!
that was lovely Howard
Up your
I'd love to say something.
देसी परदेसी टीम, we're gonna!
sorry
I'm telling you all, you better watch out. This is going to be a wild show.
रसम की कसम.
that was good from all the coaches Thank you very much and all the best.
Rani and everyone to do with DPL is on stage. You can ask questions. Anybody for questions?
You can have my mic.
Yeah. Come, please speak up.
How will you judge the finals?
How will I judge the finals? I think I'm judging them from the first episode and from the beginning. So I think I'm just going to judge them on their passion for dancing and whether they are entertaining, whether they're performing well. And basically I'll be the voice of the people, the voice of the Janta.
And I want to know the importance of dance in your life.
Yeah?
I want to know the importance of dance.
I think dance is something which I have in me right from childhood. I love dancing. I'm very passionate about dancing. And that's the reason why I've learned Manipuri, I've learned Odissi. And I just like any form of dancing. I think when I see somebody dance, I just stop like a statue. I think dancing is something which is so beautiful. Dancing is something that gives you so much happiness to your soul. Dancing is like everything. Like for me, dance and music goes synonymous with each other.
And do you think there's life of classical dance today?
Yes, we'd like to bring it very strongly through the show because the show is Dance Premier League. It's talking about all the zones in India, North, South, East, West, Central, NRI. So I'm hoping that through this dance show, I think a lot of classical dancing is also portrayed.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes.
Ready?
नीचे जा रहे मानव नीचे जा और
Please stand up and ask or at least raise your hand.
You know, actually that question would suit the critics. You know what happens is, criticism is the best form of flattery because if you're that important that people are criticizing you means you make a difference and you are very important. And I think criticism should be taken in a very not light way. I think you should take criticism in a way that you're going to improve yourself. If like a very positive way, you should take it in a way that it's going to help you work better, do better. So I think if somebody criticizes somebody on their work, I think they're only trying to say that we love you and we want you to improve and work harder.
रानी जी इधर स्ट्रेट
जी लाइट है मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Okay. Will there be a judge's performance in this?